स्क्वॅश चॅम्पियनशीप 2025 आज निकतेच ह्या SAG स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्साच्यान किक ऑफ जाल्लो आसा. हांव सगळे जे मास्टर्स जे आयिल्ले आसात, स्क्वॅश प्लेयर्स जे आयिल्ले आसात फ्रॉम ऑल अरावंड कंट्री, हांव गोंयचो आर्ट एंड कल्चर मिनिस्टर आनी स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर येता तेंचे सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करता. I am very much thankful to the association and especially Mr. Vinodji, who has given us this opportunity to showcase the talent in the field of a squash. And unless and until we are not going to play this sport extensively, it is not possible us to make the awareness among the minds of the young from across the Goa. आणि हांव सदांच म्हणटा की ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी नॉक्स ओनली वन्स इन युअर लायफ, बट यू हॅव टू ग्रॅब इट. आणि ही ग्रॅब बरेचशे फावटी आमची केली. उदाहरण जर दितले जाल्यार बाय आकांक्षा सालुंके हाणें कन्झिक्युटीव आमच्या गोंयान खातीर आज गोल्ड मेडल हाडटा. आमकांय स्वप्न आसा की ह्याच भुरग्यान जो 2036 जो आमचो ऑलिंपीक जावपाचो आसा, most probably India is going to bid and definitely will be successful in bidding this Olympic. त्या ऑलिंपिकाक आमचे भुरगे, गोंयचे भुरगे भारताच्या टिमीक खेळून ते ऑलिंपीक पोडियमाचेर पावचे आनी तांचे फिनिश करून घेवचो असो म्हजें मानस आसा. ह्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान गोंय सरकाराक जितलो प्रयत्न करपाक जाय त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान हांव सदांच प्रयत्नशील आसतलो. आणि त्या खातीर आजचो गोवा स्क्वॅश एसोसिएशनाचे सगळे पदाधिकारी आणि सगळे आयिल्ले हँगसर एथलीट्स त्यांचे हांव मनपूर्वक स्वागत करता, तांकां हांव शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करता. आणि ज्या तरेन स्क्वॅश हो जो आज हांगसर एक वर्ल्ड क्लास जे आज इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हांगसर आज उबे केल्ले आसात ते तशेंच मेंटेन दवरपा खातीर आणि तें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमचे आज भुरग्यांक मुखार वचपा खातीर हांव प्रयत्नशील करतलो. In निवेदिकेन when the comparer has make one announcement that there are, Vinod Bhai has made one announcement, there are a lack of coaches. I am just going to give the opportunity to appoint the 2 coaches from the squash. That is already it is in pipeline. जितले डिसिप्लीन आसा तांकां आमी 2 कोच घेवपा खातीर बुबा दितले. एंटायर थिंग विल बी बोर्न बाय द गव्हर्मेंट. आणि the selection and the entire interviews has to be conducted by this association. कारण कित्याक हांव सदांच म्हणटा की ज्या कारणा खातीर आमी ही स्क्वॅश किंवा बाकीचे सगळे टुर्नामेंट आमी ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आसा, एसोसिएशनान फॉर्म जाल्ले आसात, तेंच्यांनी फुडाकार घेवचो आणि तेंच्यांनी हो स्पोर्ट्स प्रमोट करपा खातीर मुखार वचचे.
Doing this tournament here, I've been promoting Mumbai Masters squash as a standalone Masters tournament for the last 3 years. This will be the 4th thing for Mumbai. The idea of doing Goa was because of the monsoon 4 months of the year, people don't get a chance to play any sport. And here's one chance, you're coming into an indoor facility and a brilliant facility here which can be utilized for all players of all ages, right from juniors to seniors. Even a football fitness, this can work with your twisting and turning on the court. There's a lot of angles, a lot of strategy which is used. So this would help, to my mind. And basically, squash promoted here. A lot of children of municipal schools, closed schools can come and use the facility here.
3-day tournament starting today, and the finals are going to be on the 30th at 3 p.m. And this is a good thing for the state because the first time we are having such a major tournament out here, and this tournament will have a lot of entries into the state, and we plan to have a lot more major tournaments like this. We are having a Goa closed in April, and after that we have to have a Goa Open sometime this year. That also will be another major tournament which will require cost to be boosted up in the state.
We're really inspired by what the sports minister has said, and we will definitely carry forward all your visions, the government vision, to create more and more players from Goa. And thank you very much for giving us a chance to appoint the coaches, which is very important for the progress of this game.